Tired of spending countless hours manually uploading videos, managing playlists, and replying to comments on YouTube? Let's automate those tedious tasks with N8n and reclaim your precious time. First, you'll need an N8n instance. You can use N8n Cloud or self-hosted. I'll assume you already have that set up now. Let's connect N8n to your YouTube account. Within N8n, navigate to the Credentials section, click Create New and search for YouTube. Select it. You'll be prompted to authenticate with your Google account that's linked to your YouTube channel. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant N8n the necessary permissions. Now, let's build a basic workflow. Start with a YouTube trigger node. This node can monitor your channel for specific events, like new comments or new subscribers. Configure the trigger to watch for the event you want to automate. Next, add a YouTube upload node. This node lets you automate the process of uploading videos. Configure it by providing the video file path, title, description, tags, and privacy settings. You can even use variables from previous nodes to dynamically generate these values. For example, you can use the expression editor to automatically include the current date in the video title or add a personalized greeting to your commenters. You can also create workflows for comment management. Use the YouTube node to fetch comments, filter them based on keywords or sentiment, and automatically reply with pre-written responses. This is a fantastic way to engage with your audience and save time. Experiment with different nodes and configurations to automate various aspects of your YouTube workflow, from playlist management to analytics tracking. The possibilities are endless. So, ditch the manual grind, embrace the power of N8n, and unlock a more efficient and enjoyable YouTube experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips. #N8n YouTube #YouTube automation.